been a while since I updated you guys, but I'm dropping the video of the power window to manual window conversion. And the reason why I'm doing that video is because on the car, they have some pre-marked areas that you can drill from the inside of the car if you got your doors on the car. So let me show you what else I'm gonna update today. I got my Bluetooth radio. I'm hooking that up with my concert sound door panels. But I'm also, this is for guys. This one right here is gonna be from Vintage Air. It's got the G-Bodies with the LS engine in there. I got this kit. I can't think of what it is, but I think they sold me a Gen 4 kit, which is not a problem. I don't care. Gen 4, Gen 5. Gen 5 just means there's some more updates on it. I had some problems with this one. Know a buddy of mine in one of the groups that I met. He has a Gen 5 and he had some of the same similar issues, except for he have a Grand National, same body style, and he have the turbo engine. But his compressor is on that side, which is not the problem we was running into. I was running into problems with getting the condenser in, brackets, getting everything made up. But they gave me a kit part number, and it was not the right kit for my hoses. So that was like $240. Well, that didn't work. And what they told me is I needed a universal kit, was like the same amount of money. Well, got a local Napa here where I'm at, and they make these fittings up. So they didn't have all the fittings. So what I did was I figured out what I needed. And their fittings was, man, like 3 times. They're hydraulic shop, so their fittings was like 3 times the price of these fittings. I mean, literally. And you can see here, I got all my fittings. And what I want to share with you guys that have this same setup. Like I said, this is Vintage Air. This is the let's see what compressor that is. Sorry about that noise. I got the car out here in the front. On my son's basketball area, so it's a little loud out here. So what I did was I figured out what I needed, and what I did was took the kit that Vintage Air sent. The only problem with the kit that Vintage Air sent was the fittings was not going to work. The direction, you got to know which fittings you need. Like, say for instance, that's a 10. That 10 was going to work right there, and I needed the hose. Once it goes down, the hose was going to come and go over to the number 10. Well, the fitting that they gave me was a 90, and it wasn't going to work. Like I said, I have a Gen 4. The Gen 5, these fittings are inside the firewall, and a 90 out. Where a Gen 4, these fittings are on the outside. Gen 5, the fittings are on the inside. Gen 4, the fittings are on the outside. Okay, this is my number 8. You can see here, number 8, and it's a 90. And that goes there, but that's gonna go that direction. It's gonna come over here to the number 8 on the condenser. Don't need those to mess up, because I'm gonna get these hoses crimped on, get these done. Okay, everything else, the 90, the number 10 that they gave me from Vintage Air, was going to be a 90 here and a 90 here on the 6. Well, a 90 wasn't going to work because it was going to put me in a bind. So what I did was I figured out what I needed, and on my number 10, I'm going straight right here to where the hose can come from there, and I can run it there. Let's see here, the number 6. You can see my number 6 is a 45 degree. My number 6 they gave me was a 90, and it was going to hit there. It was going to put me in the binds too straight. So my number 6 here is going to give me the angle that I need to come in between these hoses if I need to, or I can come in this direction if I need to. It give me, and then I can swing the hose back through here if I want to, or straight through there. So, and everything else is straight fittings coming from the number 6 and number 8 off the condenser and dryer. So you guys, man, I hope this helped out some guys here. This is my hose here. You can see, and I ordered this from a company called what is it, forgot the name of it. I'm trying to figure out where it's at. They're Air products. Cold hose, there it is. Cold hose, or the company that I ordered from was Nostalgic. There it is. Nostalgic AC parts. And man, it helped out big time. You can see I got let's see, I got, I think 4-foot hoses and 2-foot. But yeah, I got 4-foot of the number 6, and of 10 and 8, I got 2-foot. So you can see there, that's the number 6 here. Number 6 is gonna go right there. Like I said, I got it long enough to where if I want to run it all the way around all of this and come back on the back over here if I wanted to, and I got the number 10 to where the number 10 runs right there to there, and the number 8 runs from here to down there. So man, hope this helps somebody out, man. I gotta clean all this car up. Under here it's been painted, and the paint dust all up under here, you can see it. So man, y'all stay blessed and be safe. I'll share a photo of it when I get it done today.